Hello, everyone. Um, Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. This is Hidden Pains again. My name is Abiodun as usual. And I want to say thank you, for watching our videos, for um, believing in what we are talking about and, coming back to learn from the videos that I put out from uh, persons who reached out and want the world to know what their experience is like. This video, I'm actually doing it as a reaction to um, the recent video that I just, posted, which is titled "I reconnected with an ex-girlfriend, and this happened." So there was one of the persons who watched um, dropped a comment, a very you know, dropped a comment in the comment section, and it was very it was very touching. And I was like, okay, I need to put this out there that as much as there are bad women, there are still very good women, very very good women. I'm going to read the comments. You follow me. I had a friend that was in my life in 2000. That is year 2000. We were very cool, and she was my best friend. We got into a relationship together in 2023. She broke up with me in like 2006. They broke up in 2006, but they came back together in 2023. I have to admit that I had a lot of growing up to do. Plus, I was in the streets. I had another girlfriend at that time, and I ended up going to prison. And my girlfriend left me while I was in the prison. While he was in there, the girlfriend left. Out of nowhere, I got a visit from my ex-girlfriend. That's in reaction to reconnecting with an ex-girlfriend. So this brother reconnected with, out of nowhere, I got a visit from my ex-girlfriend. By this time, she had educated herself and had 2 degrees. She had gone to school, she had educated herself and had gotten 2 degrees. At that time, she was doing well for herself. I got released to my ex's place on parole. We remained friends. Then our feelings just became overwhelming. Long story short, we are 8 years married with twin boys and have an amazing marriage. This touched me and I was like, wow, there are good women out there. There are still good women, women that they are the Proverb 31 women that the Bible talked about. So if a man takes care and look diligently and stay, very patiently, be patient with women, get to know them, take your time before committing. Look at what the brother said. He said, we remained friends. Then our feelings just became overwhelming. You have to be friends first before, rushing into anything and, getting married. We became friends. Our feelings just became overwhelming. Long story short, we are 8 years married with twin boys and we have an amazing marriage. We have an amazing marriage. I would have never thought I would go backwards in a relationship. In my case, though, I went backwards to move forward. Wow. That comment, I could not just wait but to do this video to react to it. That comment was hot. And this is an exception. This comment is totally an exception. Going backwards to an ex does not make it bad. Like I said, like we saw in that video that I posted. But going back to an ex requires that you become friends first. Do Do not think that your ex is still the person that you used to know. Even yourself, your ex, both of you need to get to know yourselves again, because you definitely would have changed some because of the experiences you've had. Something would have changed both of you. So it is important that both of you get to know yourselves before committing, before getting married, before going too deep into marriage. Before going too deep into marriage. I really, man, this story, I said I would do a video on it, man. This is hot. I love it. I am happy for this brother. And I'm sure this brother has changed. That's why the marriage is boom. He said, we are doing amazingly well. For 8 years going, and that's counting. I am very happy for you, brother. Keep it up. I was so happy when I saw the comment. I was like, no, I need to do a video on this. And that's why I'm here. Don't get it twisted. There are good men and there are good women. We only need to take time to look. Marriage is a long journey, a very long journey. So if you're going to travel far, if you want to really travel and travel and travel far in the journey of marriage, you need to take it slow, slow and slow and slow. So that take it step at a time. Do not rush into it so that you get to know each other. And do not ignore red flags. You will see the flags. Do not ignore them. And lastly, before I stop this video, love yourself first. Always make sure that you put yourself first in whatever you are, in whatever relationship you are going into. Because if you put yourself first, if you love yourself enough, you will not take abuse. You will not take you will not walk on eggshell. You will not be abused. You will not allow abuse. You will nip it in the bud. You will not even allow it to fester. You will cut it off right there and then. So it is important that we get to know that despite the numerous sad stories that we hear out there, there are still good women. There are still good men. There are still good exes. There are still good exes. You can go back, but you need to get to know them better, get to spend time more together, and make your decision whether this person has really changed for the better or for the worse. Look at this brother's ex. She went back to school. She educated herself and got 2 degrees. Hey, what? Bros, kudos to you and congratulations. I really salute your courage. Congrats. I love this. I love this. So that's my message. Please, once again, like our story, subscribe to the channel, spread the word, send your stories, and we'll be more than glad to hear it to the world. Let people know this. Look at this very short, concise story I got from this brother, and it's encouraging. This is encouraging enough to say there are still good people out there. There are still good people out there. Thank you, and stay safe. Bye-bye.